Hey, what's up everybody? So my buddy Jesse, who is back there somewhere, he got this new monitor. Now, there's a whole hype thing about 144 hertz and this happens to be a 1440 monitor. So he was kind enough to not only let me unbox it, his brand new monitor, but also we're gonna test it out a little bit. So, this is the Viotek GFT27DB. And it's at 1440, 144 hertz. It is a TN panel. And I think this is a Samsung display. The whole unboxing part of unboxing is not my forte. Oh, stuff's falling, I feel it. As long as the monitor's not falling. Woo! Goodbye, box. Alrighty then. So what'd this cost you?
About 300.
300 bucks?
Even.
Alright. G-Sync?
Negatory.
FreeSync.
FreeSync.
Okay. Well, the beautiful thing about FreeSync these days is that NVIDIA GPUs have actually started supporting a lot of it. And even if you're not 100% certified, a lot of it will actually still function with the GeForce drivers. NVIDIA is trying to pull a little bit of that market by allowing their GTX and RTX cards to function in the same manner. Okay, so in the box, we've got our power cord, an external power supply. I kind of wish that was internal, but depending on how thin this thing is, maybe I don't know. This is the first time I'm seeing this. This thing is a meme, dude. This is gonna hold a 27-inch monitor? Oh, it's, first of all, I have it upside down.
Do you?
Oh, I did. I mean, it doesn't go this way, it goes this way. But that, Apple would charge you $1,000 for that. No, this is the discount stand. This is
$6.99.
$6.99. $6.99, apple.com. I hope it holds things well. It doesn't seem great. Are you gonna keep this on the stand or are you gonna VESA mount it?
I might as well VESA.
In the box comes the stand, obviously the monitor, little side panel thingies. I guess we'll find out what those are for in a second. Oh, that's awesome. They actually gave you a DP cable instead of an HDMI cable. Fantastic. Because without DP 1.4, you would be rocking not 144 hertz, you'd probably be looking at 75. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of this thing. Okay, so it is VESA compatible, thank God. So for I/O, I'm not even looking at the front of this thing yet. For I/O, ooh, it's pretty, it's matte. We've got our power, 3 HDMI, 1 DP, and 1 audio out. Really, really nice, nearly bezel-less design too. That's very pretty. Alrighty, let's see what we got. So we got some extensions here. That's actually nice that they include those. Get a little close up of that if you don't mind. There you go. On those, and those are actually for the VESA mount back here. So if you are VESA mounting it, you're going to need something to extend it out of these holes. These bolt right into the frame itself, and they're made of metal instead of plastic like a lot of those washers are. So that's actually quite nice. It's like they knew the stand was a meme. I mean, I'm sorry to keep shitting all over your stand, but it's like they knew it was a meme because they included everything that you're gonna need to put it on a real stand. account. Log out.
I don't know my password.
Oh, you
And I lost my email.
You,
Oh man.
you're not serious.
I'm screwed.
No.
kidding, totally kidding. Oh man.
You're such an ass. Like, it doesn't feel...
Jaggedy?
Yeah, I don't even know. It almost feels like I'm just like, I'm like gliding through water. Like,
That's logical.
in a good way. Oh, you stole all my juice.
Opinions, how do you feel?
If I could get this in an ultra wide, I'd pick it up immediately. Like, I would already have it. I just have a taser now. Like, the fact that it has speakers at all is cool, and
I completely I forgot that it technically doesn't have speakers, but it's talking.
well, honestly, the sound quality,
Isn't as ear raping as
it's actually really good sound quality, just no amp whatsoever.
True.
Oh yes, I
What does that
have.
R button do?
R button?
Yeah, there you go.
I think that. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome, teammate.
Oh, I got you, buddy. Yay! Start test. Use the test pattern to check the image quality. The circles should be complete and round. I mean, it looks round to me.
Technically, it's not a true circle because of the pixels. It's what do you call an octagon times 100?
A megagon.
megdegon?
A megagon. Defective pixels on white. 0. I know I have one dead pixel on my monitor and it's driving me crazy.
No. Is it in the middle?
It's like here.
Ah, it's in the middle.
Yeah, it's in a really obnoxious place. Yeah, so it's like, this is your cone about here. About 80 degrees, 90 degrees, something like that. You can still see that there's a thing, you just can't see it sharply. No, I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You know what we're gonna do?
Compare it to the ultrawide?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, no, not compare it. Just like put it on my computer so I can actually try to.
What do you feel?
Dude.
Really?
It's stirring emotions in me. Hi. I
dude.
missed.
Just pick up your controller real quick.
My controller. That's cute. I can't remember the. I thought it was.
Did you set yours to a button map on your mouse?
Oh, good call. Damn. Why do you know more about my computer than I do? This is ridiculous.
I'm all about the simplicity. Gamers make things simple.
Yep. That's what it is. You're right. Dude, this is butter. Like, I would put this on popcorn.
I'm very pleased.
Yeah, this is butter, man. This is awesome. Like, I need this in my life. So here's what we're gonna do.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna try Doom for the first time ever.
Okay.
Yeah. There's no lag. There's no tearing. There's no nothing. That's
nice.
like absolutely gorgeous.
Hello. Nice. Glory kill. This is pretty nice. It's smooth. I forgot that I was even like playing a game. It just feels nice.
Turn around.
Let me get this real quick.
Yeah.
It just feels. I don't see ghosting. When I turn, it's on screen.
Yep.
It is there. It is not. I'm not waiting for everything to show up. I'm not waiting for things to disappear.
Mutated when the thing exploded. This would be a good time for a grenade.
Oh wow!
Yeah, the glory kills get good. Different glory. You'll get different glory kills. Like if you jump down from above, or if you are next to a wall. Point multiplier. Nice. The thing that's blinking and pinging at you right now.
What was that?
Extra points. One might call them demons, one might call them tasks.
One might call them my friend. Not anymore! I gave you my chance!
As you get bench slapped.
Mr. Clean got a job.
In the future.
Yes!
Ah.
Awesome.
So anyway, guys, that is the GFT27DB by Viotek, a 1440 monitor at 144 hertz. I absolutely love it. For 300 bucks, that is a fantastic deal and a fantastic monitor. The color is awesome. There is absolutely no ghosting, no motion blur. I had my FreeSync turned on and it was beautiful. Frame rates were awesome in both Doom and CSGO. I don't know, I have zero complaints about it except for that's not 35 inches wide. So as soon as they drop something like this that in an ultra wide that's actually 144 hertz, I will pick it up because I love my ultra wide, but 75 hertz is holding me back. It just looks better and it feels better. So I definitely absolutely love this product and I recommend it. Get a different stand for it though. It's a little, it's too thin, it's too wobbly. If I have to say something about it, that's what I'm gonna say about it. The stand is kind of a joke. I mount everything to the wall anyway, and you can get a good wall mount for 20 or 30 bucks. This takes zero effort to do this, but you know, for taking it out of the box and sticking it on a stand, this will do the trick. If you mount it to the wall, it's gonna be nice and solid. There's speakers in it. Yeah, the speakers in it at 100% volume were like, it was like listening to speakers on the other side of a door from across the room. The clarity was good, but there was 0 amp on it, so it was, you get a headset, get some speakers. They'll do in like a super quiet room if you're in a pinch, but that's about it. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for stopping by and checking out this unboxing of this Viotek monitor. Link in the description below if you want to check it out. And I don't know, I highly recommend it. If you're looking for something that is affordable, extremely fast, and looks really good, this is a pretty good option for you. Anyways, thanks again for coming by. Have a good one. Also subscribe and hit the bell.
You want to do this over again?
Subscribe and bell.
Let's do the whole
thing. Whole video?
The whole thing.
Okay, put it back in the box.
Pack it back up. Let's call it FedEx.
No, you know what? I'm leaving. I'm going home.
Me too.
Toby, for God's sake, why are you broken? Cut!
We good? Am I in frame?
You are looking at me right here. You're about right there is where your face is.
What is?
See, this is.
He's back there doing this, telling me this is where my face is.
This is where you are. You're right here. You're not centered. You're right here.
So it does have speakers.
If
they're at
call it that.
They're at 100%. Here. Oh, you know what I found the other day? One of those. Have you seen one of those in the wild?
I gave it to you a while ago. I'm surprised you found it.
I just want to be done.